Coming from Kona, Hawaii, the beach of Kona, Hawaii, like I promised. We're down here having our pina coladas. Okay, we don't got coconuts, but night's still young. We might find some. Other people have around here, haven't they? That one gal up in a coconut. What do you got to say, Christina?
Well, we will find a coconut drink before you leave the island. My promise.
Sweet. And we went to a luau last night. That was amazing. And I'm going to connect some videos, of course, all together. I got tons of stuff to show everybody. Right?
Yes.
65.
And the sunset tonight was beautiful.
Oh, yes. I got the sunset. I videotaped it.
Happy birthday, Debbie.
Happy birthday. 65, still alive. Barely, but we are. So,
learn to drive.
I know how to drive. I just get a license. All the adventures and plans we have coming up. Right?
We can't cheers and not drink, so cheers.
Cheers. Oh, I wasn't drinking. I was talking.
That's why you have to do that. I'm sorry.
You know, I have a problem not talking. Anyway.
Aloha is what her shirt says.
Aloha.
Read it.
It's really beautiful here. It's really peaceful. It's really muggy.
Hot.
Humid. It's hot. But that's okay.
If we come back,
we got a pool.
We're coming back a different time of year.
We got a pool.
And that's a fact.
We got a pool, so if we're really hot, we can always go jump in that pool.
Yeah, that's a good point.
There's some pretty amazing waves coming in tonight, don't you think?
Oh my gosh,
yeah.
Turn the camera,
a little bit more crazy.
Listen. Can you hear them?
Oh yeah, they can hear them, believe me. Oh, wait a minute. I got my earphones on, so God, I hope they can hear you.
Oh shit, they can. So
yeah.
thanks a lot.
I don't know, man. It shouldn't be that way. It shouldn't work that way. We got a microphone. No, we got microphones.
Okay.
That's just for me to hear.
I hope everyone hear all that.
Well, the lighting isn't very good for a video, but let me see. So what are the rules of snorkeling? If I find a shell, can I bring it home? Oh.
They leave down there and you put an ask for that, they'll know all the rules and regulations.
Okay.
But I think if you get a snail, if you want a shell.
A shell.
I'm sure you can find a good one.
Yeah, because I want to bring a shell home, at least one.
Well, you gotta find a special one.
Yeah.
You gotta start roaming the beaches in the morning.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, I looked at the beaches. I never seen one shell.
No, out here. Just so you can find one.
Oh.
Get a coffee or out during the morning or fucking slowly in places. Right at the water's edge where it's turned up. That's where you're gonna find stuff that just got washed up last night. Well, I'm heading up because I'm out of the cocktail set.
Me too.
Are you coming up there?
Huh?
You filming this?
Yeah, that's why I asked you.
Oh my god, yeah, I'm out of the cocktail set. I gotta go. Sorry.
That's why I was
Cut.
asking about the
Action.
shell.
What?
That's why I was asking about if I found a shell, what were the rules?
You'll be able to find some shell. You need to just come down here in the morning.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's what we'll be doing. We'll get a shell early morning, I guess, when it's...
Well, coffee time. About 7, 7:30. Around coffee time. Now will wake us up, that's for sure.
Yeah, 5 o'clock every morning, bright and shine.
Well,
Or
she wakes you up
2:30.
at- What?
2:46.
Well, yeah, I wake up, but
And
I
then
don't
5 o'clock.
Like last night,
It's
she
okay.
tried to look at my face about 3 o'clock. I'm like, no, not now, go away.
I know.
Right? She.
I heard you and she jumped right off of you onto me.
I said, tell her no.
She loves me.
Oh my God, no.